Cheese care, because you might have leftover cheese with what you have. Wrapping things, firm cheeses, I like to wrap in foil or in cheese paper. Cheese paper is great for any cheeses, but sometimes when your cheeses have been wrapped for a long time, you might want to face them. So you might want to shave the first layer off, and that way the cheese will taste more fresh. And sometimes it gets a white film of mold there too. So you just kind of cut that or plane it with a cheese plane off, and it's back and it's brand new again. If it's a firm cheese and it starts to dry out, you can rub some olive oil on that, and that also absorbs back into the cheese and helps it get more sprightly and better with there. So there are a lot of ways of cheese taking, but in general, you should try and buy only what you need for a week or two, not hold on to it for life, because a cheese is better freshly cut. We can't always do that, so you might order from afar. If you get a vacuum sealed cheese, you want to take off that vacuum seal and let your cheese breathe for at least an hour, so that it will kind of come back to life. It's like being shut in your room with the lights out and the windows closed and the shades down, and it kind of takes away your breath and makes you pale and pallid. And so when you open that door, you take off that plastic, then you're coming back to life. It's very important, and it's very important to try cheeses at room temperature. The colder things are, the less flavor that you can have.